Hello, welcome. This is my new YouTube channel, part of MooseMan Nature Photos, and we're calling it Nature and Coffee with Team MooseMan. Now, some of you may know me from Facebook. We're migrating all the content over here to YouTube now. So I want to welcome all the new YouTube people. I'd love it if you subscribed. Anyway, this channel is all about wildlife. Anything wildlife and nature. I will point my camera and take video of anything that moves on its own. And some things that don't. But I'm not a big landscape photographer. It's wildlife. So what you're going to see here is everything from insects and snakes and birds to any mammal you can think of that is indigenous to the United States. Mostly this is going to be based in New England, but you're also going to see some Tennessee, some Alaska, Florida, and so on. Wherever I go, my camera goes with me. So I'm Libby Libbey, married to Rick Libbey, who is the MooseMan, and together we are Team MooseMan, wildlife photographers and videographers. So, welcome. Thanks for being here. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.